In today's video, we will uncover TradingView. It's going to be an absolute tutorial. Hello and welcome to Crypto Imperative. You need to search for TradingView desktop software on Google. It is where you can track live market data. If you have Windows, click on Download for Windows, and if you have a Mac, click on Download for Mac OS. Once you install First Time Trading and open it, you will see the Sign Up option. Create your account and you can use the free version. There's no need for the premium version. The free version is sufficient and you can use all indicators. You can access the entire technical analysis course for free in the free version. First, select the candle on the chart. If you choose a candle, you'll get the candlestick chart. If you select a line chart, you'll see a line chart with the price. Choosing the area chart will display an area chart. Whenever you perform technical analysis, use the candlestick chart. Green candle means the price has risen, indicating a higher price. A red candle means the price has dropped, indicating a lower price. Set your preferences in Settings, ensuring that green indicates a price rise and red indicates a price drop. Now, let's set the background color. Go to Settings, then Appearance. Keep the background color slightly dark and set it to Gradient. To remove grid lines, go to Vertical Grid Lines, set the opacity to 0, and for horizontal grid lines, set the opacity to 0. This way, grid lines will disappear, and click OK. Next, click on the sticker or symbol where you want to see the chart. For example, if I want to see the Bitcoin chart, I'll type BTC/USD in the search bar, and clicking on it will open the Bitcoin chart. Now, the 1 minute written here refers to the time frame. If you want to see a 15-minute chart, click on 15 minutes and your 15-minute chart will open. Now, if you click on Indicators, you'll see numerous indicators. Choose an indicator and it will automatically appear on your chart. Apply its default settings. When you go to the Drawing option, you can draw on your chart using various tools. For alerts, you can set them under the Alerts section. Explore different tools by clicking around, and you'll find various options for technical analysis. When you go to the Drawing option, you can draw on your chart using various tools. For alerts, you can set them under the Alerts section. If you go to the Chart Properties panel, you'll find different tools to analyze your chart. Click on Dot, and if you select Dot, your cursor will become a dot, allowing you to analyze chart patterns. If you go to the Cross option, your cursor will become a cross. If you go to the Alerts panel, you can set alerts based on specific price levels. If you go to the Watch List panel, you can add various symbols to track different markets, stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies. So, TradingView is a powerful tool where you can track and analyze various markets. In the next videos, we will delve into TradingView in more detail. See you in the next video.